Here are some crypto trading tips for beginners. Cryptocurrency trading is both risky and intricate, but with the right approach, it can become a substantial source of income. We've compiled some valuable tips and life hacks to assist newcomers in cryptocurrency trading, enabling them to stay clear of financial losses and achieve a stable income from their trades. Stay glued to this channel for more updates on cryptocurrency. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. The first step, pay attention to liquidity levels. Trading crypto pairs in the futures market involves a dynamic order book where trading volumes constantly fluctuate. To consistently enter trades at favorable prices, it is crucial to monitor liquidity and trade on the exchanges with the highest liquidity. This approach will help you achieve optimal average entry and exit prices for your positions. The second step, use limit orders. When a trading pair exhibits low liquidity, executing a market order can have a considerable impact on the average price. As a result, this can affect both liquidation prices and, of course, potential profits. Utilizing limit orders can help address this issue. Even if a limit order is not fully executed, it reduces the risk compared to a market order. The next step, trade in cross-margin mode. Engaging in isolated margin trading requires a constant calculation of leverage for each trade. However, traders often refrain from setting stop-loss orders in isolated margin mode and instead wait for their small position to be liquidated before opening a new one. The cross-margin mode offers more flexibility by utilizing the entire margin account balance and eliminating the need to calculate leverage for individual positions. However, it also allows you to hold multiple positions simultaneously. The next step is better know trade than bad risk reward, known as RR. RR, risk reward, presents the ratio of potential profit to possible loss for a single position. An optimal RR is considered to be above 3%. For example, in such a scenario, closing a position at the stop loss level results in a loss approximately 1%, while reaching the take profit level leads to a profit of 3% only. Traders often use support and resistance zones on the chart to determine their entry points. Open for a price response. In such cases, it is better to refrain from opening a position if the potential risk to reward ratio, that is, RR, is unsatisfactory. The next step, stops are not a guarantee against losses. Keep this at the back of your mind. If the stop order isn't triggered and the trading pair experiences high volatility, it could result in substantial losses. To safeguard your account balance, it is advisable not to keep the large sum of money in the margin of futures accounts. For an optimal approach to opening positions in cross-margin trading, it is sufficient to use funds equivalent to 10% of your total trading balance. This way, you can open trades with the 1% from risk without risking excessive losses if the stock price does not trigger. The next step, stick to your strategy. One or two unsuccessful trades do not necessarily mean that you choosing strategy or your choosing strategy is ineffective. No, it is better to rely on mistakes either monthly or after every 20 to 30 closed deals, and only then make adjustments to your trading approach. Frequently changing the strategy will only stack up errors, making it difficult to identify which changes are truly effective and which are not. The next step, pay attention to trading trends. This is one of the most popular and essential rules in trading. Avoid seeking short positions during an uptrend and long positions during a downtrend. The chances of catching a trend reversal and profiting are quite low, and you may end up with a stretch of losing trades. It is not supposed to be. An effective trading approach involves diligently monitoring and analyzing the market, enabling you to Make well-informed decisions based on the analysis. However, if you are considering going to Binance, blockchain Big 2023, I have a gift for you of 10% discounts on your tickets. More so, use the discount link in the video description. Please do adequate research and plan your investments cautiously. We at Crypto Thoughts will always make the best effort to release high quality and potential coins, but we may not be responsible for your losses. Expect more captivating updates from this channel. Thank you and stay tuned to this channel.